and how to fix it. Have you ever started squatting and suddenly felt a sharp ache in your knees? It's frustrating, especially when you're trying to build strength and stay healthy. But here's the truth. Knee pain while squatting is common, and most of the time it's preventable. Taking care of your knees is essential for your long-term physical health, mobility, and independence. Strong, pain-free joints don't just help in the gym, they support your posture, confidence, and emotional well-being. When your body feels good, your mind follows. Let's start with the most common causes of knee pain during squats. Poor squat form. Knees caving inward, heels lifting, or leaning too far forward puts unnecessary stress on the joint. Weak muscles. Weak glutes, hamstrings, or hip stabilizers force your knees to handle more load than they should. Overuse or overtraining. Doing too much too soon without rest leads to irritation of the tendons and ligaments. Tight hips or ankles. Limited mobility in these areas shifts pressure to the knees. Old injuries. Previous sprains, ligament tears, or cartilage damage can flare up during intense movement. Poor footwear or surfaces. Uneven shoes or hard floors affect alignment and stability. Lifestyle factors like poor diet, dehydration, and lack of sleep can worsen inflammation, slowing down recovery. Ignoring proper form and joint care can lead to or worsen conditions such as patellofemoral pain syndrome, runner's knee, tendinitis or bursitis, arthritis, cartilage wear, meniscus injury, chronic joint inflammation. Over time, this can make even simple daily activities, like walking upstairs, painful. Here are signs that your knees may be under too much stress. Sharp or dull ache under or around the kneecap, clicking or popping sounds, swelling or stiffness after workouts. Pain that worsens when bending or climbing stairs. Reduced range of motion. Fatigue or weakness in one leg more than the other. These are your body's warning signs. Ignoring them can lead to long-term damage. The good news is, most knee pain can be fixed with simple adjustments. Check your form. Keep knees tracking over your toes. Engage your core and glutes before lowering. Keep your heels grounded. Strengthen supporting muscles. Add exercises like glute bridges, step-ups, and hamstring curls. Strengthen your quads with wall sits or leg extensions. Improve mobility. Stretch your calves, hips, and hamstrings daily. Use a foam roller to release tension. Rest and recovery. Give your joints time to heal, especially after intense sessions. Apply ice or compression if swelling occurs. Consult a professional. A physical therapist can help identify muscle imbalances or alignment issues. Here's how you can take care of your knees long-term. Warm up properly before workouts. Dynamic stretches and light cardio. Stay hydrated. Water helps lubricate joints. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce stress on knees. Wear supportive shoes designed for your activity. Sleep well, recovery happens when you rest. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like salmon, berries, leafy greens, and turmeric. Strength train regularly to balance muscles. Remember, prevention is always easier than rehab. Fun fact, squatting is one of the most natural human movements. Ancient civilizations used squats as part of daily life, sitting, lifting, and working. But modern lifestyles, sitting for long hours, poor posture, and limited movement, have weakened our lower body mechanics. Research from the American College of Sports Medicine shows that over 70% of gym goers perform squats incorrectly, leading to knee pain. That means form and mobility are far more important than lifting heavier weights. Ignoring knee pain can lead to chronic inflammation, permanent cartilage damage, arthritis, reduced mobility, increased injury risk in hips and back. When one joint suffers, the rest of your body compensates, creating a chain reaction of pain and imbalance. If your knees hurt when squatting, don't give up, just adjust. Focus on form, strengthen your muscles, and listen to your body. The goal is progress, not punishment. Remember, every rep should build you up, not break you down. When you move with awareness, you move toward longevity, strength, and confidence. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider or physical therapist for personalized guidance. Final takeaway. Your knees don't hate squats, they hate bad form. Move smarter, not harder.